Okay, here we are, the third video of the series of 3 fixing the 1098R head exhaust seats. I've already finished cut this one over here. You can see it's been nicely machined. That one's finished, and I'm going to rough out the next one and show you how what it looks like after it's been roughed out, and then I'll finish it up. Now you can see I'm using a pretty fast cutting speed here. I'm just trying to mow into it. This isn't going to be my final cut. I have a different speed that I use for final cut. Softer materials like this, you need to change your cutting speeds to get the right surface finish and the right concentricity so that the valve seals properly. Coming down, you can see the 60 angle's forming pretty good. Now I'm just about to start to form the 45 angle. You can see starting to show up now. And as soon as I'm done forming the complete 45, I'll stop, take some measurements, check my heights, see it, make sure I'm concentric, and then I'll do a final cut and finish it up. Just about done with the 45. You can see the 30 starting to show up a little bit. We'll stop right there for now. Alright, so we got both the seats formed. This seat over here is not finished yet. We're going to finish it here shortly. I'm going to move some stuff here, and I'm going to show you just what we're looking for when I was talking about concentricity earlier. Look at this. As you can see right now, I'm going to put a gauge on here. We're going to measure. This tells me how accurate the valve's going to seal to the 45 surface right now. And remember, this is just rough. I'm not finished yet. So you can see we have just about a little under a thousandth of run out on this seat, which is really good for just a rough cut. And what happens is, you know, this little pointer here is touching on the 45 surface, and as I spin it around, it's telling me how flat the seat is by pushing on this indicator. So the goal is to get this thing down to about a half a thou of run out, and generally you can, you know, if you take your time and you know what you're doing and you have the right equipment is really key to getting good concentric cuts. You know, if you have all three of those, then you're going to make some really nice valve jobs. Again, the best thing to do is whenever you're having somebody do heads for you is to you know, inquire what kind of equipment they have. You know, how old is their equipment? How used is it? How, you know, how well do they know how to use it? So you can see this one here. I moved over to this one, and this one has very, very little run out in it. So
that's the last of this. This 1080R head is just about done. We'll ship it back to the customer, and he'll be making some horsepower again. Thanks for watching my videos. Website is www